Going right after Lesnar. Lesnar and Rollins. German suplex. Welcome to Suplex City. Seth Rollins. Suplex City again. And Rollins trying to escape. Oh. Suplex. Wow. Left in the way. And here we go. Now it's underway. Rock with a rock bottom. Rock bottom. Cover on Rowan. Paul. Much to the delight of the WWE Universe. Fireman's carry. Monaco in Argentina.